evil mom.
Honey, I'm on duty tonight. I will be back late. Please take care of yourself and Kitty. Bye.
Okay, bye, baby. Yes, tonight I'm free. You have to go to bed early, Kitty. Mom has an appointment tonight. Kitty, here your milk. Finally, you are asleep. Yeah, I'm free. Bye, Kitty. Mom will be late.
Yeah, baby. Dance, baby.
Yeah, move your body.
I like it, baby.
Oh no, I forgot my phone. Hi, honey, I'm home. Honey, where are you? Huh? Kitty? What the? Why this milk is black?
Tonight is our night.
Yeah, we can dance and drink.
Come on, pick up the phone.
Oh no, my husband. Hi, baby. What happened?
Where are you, huh?
I'm at home, baby.
You lied. I came home and found Kitty sleeping alone and unconscious. I'm on my way to take Kitty to the hospital. You come now.
Oh my god, Kitty.
Your child is unconscious because he has been given too much cough medicine.
Oh no!
Baby, how is Kitty doing?
Where are you going, huh? You supposed to take care of Kitty. You're like cheating behind me. Is that true?
I'm sorry, baby. I was cheating on you.
How dare you! All this time isn't what I've given you enough. We almost lost Kitty. Get out of here. I don't want to see your face anymore.